I thought I should go ahead and just make a short clip showing how to make some other dowel holes that correspond with the ones that you have here, in case you want to do this, because it took us a while to figure this out a few years ago, and we finally figured out the best way of doing it, where we're showing that the dowel is in place here, but we don't actually want to show a dowel in these holes up above. So I put in the reference lines. I'll go ahead and erase these now that we have the 3/8 circle in place to represent where the dowel is going to be going through. So we just wanted to put these in place so we have them to show where the dowels are going to be. It wasn't as easy as we intended. So we go ahead and we have that line, and I'm just going to take it, I'm going to push it through the first piece. So I'm just going to stop it right on the other side. And once we get there, you're going to see that the hole goes through the first piece. An issue that we had before is we would take and we would push it through thinking, okay, why don't we just push it all the way through to the other side, and then we got a hole that goes all the way through, which you do. That hole goes all the way through the two pieces, but you can see that it's also put a piece right through the middle, and we don't want this piece. And when you go to try and delete this piece, which you can, if you can look really close, there's actually lines that go around this. So you could click it and remove it section by section, but once we do remove all of the sections of this circle, the whole circle is going to be gone. Like, it's going to disappear and your hole is going to be gone. So that doesn't work either. So I'm going to go ahead and Alt backspace this until we have our circle back and it's on the front. All right, so back to square one. So we're going to take this and we're going to use the push-pull tool and push it through the first section and line it up on that line. So we got it through the first section, and then after that, that's where we're thinking, well, there's no easy way to do this. Like, can we possibly take the edge here and move it to the other side? Is there some way of taking this and moving it to the other side without making changes? We thought about using the offset tool, so we could take it and make it just a little bit bigger, and then we could pull the edge of this over, connect it to this line, so then you have it. And then once you have that line, you have like an outside circle and an inside circle. So I don't know if we'll be able to do this or not, but if you can take this and look at the inside of this, let's see if we can go right inside this piece. So you can see we're inside the piece now. You can see that we actually have a bit of a piece in the middle here that you could use to use the push-pull on, but it's saying it's not a smooth surface, so it's not allowing us to do it. We have a piece on the bottom, okay, but it's not allowing us to take that section because it's actually not fastening those two pieces together. So there's no surface there to work on, so that doesn't work either. So we're going to go ahead and undo what I just did. Okay, come out of that piece. I'm just showing you all the ways that we tried it and it didn't work, and we didn't have any really good solution. I hope someone else comes with a better solution than I have here, but the best solution that we could come up with was that you do actually do the first circle. I'm just going to get rid of the second line that we did. You do the first circle, and then we went to the back side and we did the exact same thing on the back side, where we made our reference lines going across. Oh, just wait 1 second. I gotta go from here to here first, and from here to here, go to the other side. And if we did these reference lines right, then we can take it and make this exact same hole, exact same size. Okay, so I'm going to put in 3/8 inches and erase these lines. And those two lines should line up perfectly. I wish there was a better way of doing this, and I'm sure there is. And again, if you're the person that figures that out, come see me and I got some jelly beans for you. So we'll go ahead and move that over, and we got the two holes. So it now shows how that works, what the representation looks like. We got a funny line in there. Delete that. Okay, so that shows how it would work and that you could do an adjustable dowel system on this catapult now. All right, thanks for watching.